Base metals held on to most of their gains on Wednesday morning here on the London Metal Exchange, taking support from a stronger fundamental backdrop and weakness in the dollar. Data from the US has been softer in recent sessions, which many believe will see the Fed put back the expected date of the first increase in interest rates. Indeed, investors will keep a close eye on the FOMC's two-day meeting that concludes today, widely signalled to be the end of its third quantitative easing programme, which, in essence, is likely to re-strengthen the dollar and put pressure on all commodities. In other news today, the World Bank has said that China should reduce its GDP growth forecast for 2015 to 7% flat, suggesting that the country should focus more on reform than on meeting specific growth targets. It comes at a time when many believe that the Chinese economy is slowing and that it may not be able to meet its all-important 7.5% GDP growth target for 2014. Therefore, all eyes will be on China's manufacturing PMI on Saturday for further analysis of the economy. In other data, the calendar today is very quiet in the lead up to the Fed announcement this evening, although the rest of the week could see some interesting developments for the metals markets, with the US unemployment claims and GDP results tomorrow before several Japanese announcements on Friday. In the metals, the spreads today suggest tightness in several of the metals. Copper's cash to threes was last seen at around a backwardation of $72, while further backwardations can be seen along the nearby curve, with tonne next around $2 back. Zinc cash threes, which moved into backwardation earlier today, is back level, while aluminium for the day is still showing a contango, although it's just marginal at $1. In prices, copper briefly broke above the $6,800 mark earlier this morning, but it's now down for the day so far, though the likelihood of strikes at the Antamina mine in Peru and at Grasberg in Indonesia next month is providing some support, while talk that China's SRB is looking at copper purchases is also very much part of the picture in the red metal. Aluminium holding above the $2,000 mark at the moment, while nickel is firmly above the $15,000. Renewed strength rebounding after it started to look a little oversold when it's dropped below $15,000 earlier this week. The others, fairly unchanged at the moment, though expect some volatility in the market this afternoon as positions are settled pre-Fed announcement at around 6 p.m. London time. This is Ian Walker reporting for FastMarkets down here at the London Metal Exchange.